Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a great day. I'm not. So I'm here on the mower on my John Deere zero-turn. I got on it Friday after I got off work. Going to cut the grass real quick. The drive belt for the mowing deck had started coming apart and lost a chunk out of it. Look at this picture. I said, well, okay, gotta have a new belt. I went to try to find a John Deere belt, and it's going to be like a week and a half, the best I could do to get one. I guess everybody in the world's changing them. So I got on the old Amazon again and got this one. It was here the next day. And I'm hoping to goodness it's the exact same. It's got the same part number. It's a GX25628. And this is on the Z335E John Deere zero-turn. All right, now I'm not an expert mechanic on a lawnmower, but we're going to show you how to do this. I like saving money doing it myself. Tools we're going to need. Now, if you're in a bind, you can get this front cover off with the little tool that's on the side that holds your deck up. But the tools we're going to need a socket wrench and a couple sockets. We need a 13 millimeter and a 15 millimeter. And a 15 millimeter wrench. And one thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the old belt off, so I've got a pair of cutters. So let's get to it. First off, take your 13 millimeter. You got to take this top cover off. Okay, as you can see, we're going around one belt. This has two blades on it. We're going around one pulley, around the other. We're coming around this pulley right here, and this idler pulley. Now, this idler pulley has got a little guard here, so we're going to have to take this one off. But right now, I'm just going to take and cut this belt. I watched 2 or 3 other people on videos really fighting with it, and I really don't feel like cutting my fingers today. So let's just do this. This belt ain't nothing but junk anyway, so there we go. It was still under a lot of tension. All right, now where it was coming apart, right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right there. So when that piece of the belt would come around, Lord, it sounded like it was leaving the earth. All right, now as you can see, I'm sliding this back here, or putting it back here so I can get to it. All right, let's get the new belt out. And this is always a good time to clean underneath your mowing deck and put a couple shots of grease in the bearings on the blades. And if your mower has more fittings on it than mine does, go ahead and do it. I greased mine a couple weeks ago. All right, lay your belt out there. All right, do one side and then come over here and do the other. Here we go. And all this connects to a pulley back there on the drive on the motor. All right, we'll go ahead and try to put this pulley back on. All right. Okay, I'm not going to tighten it up all the way yet. Let's go back here and try to put it. Let's take you off of that. I didn't clean this thing off good enough. All right, that was hard to see, but it just comes back here and goes around this pulley here. So, but what I had to do, I had to take the belt off of this pulley here. Now, another thing I want to do, I want to make sure that everything's good and straight, you know, facing the right direction. Right now it's not, it's kind of twisted. The belt, I guess it not being a non-John Deere belt, it's coming from China or wherever, it kind of twisted. All right, so what I'll do now, reach in here and grab this thing with my socket wrench, pull all the tension off of it. Still got a little bit of twist, but I think it'll straighten out. Just like that. Everything's good and tight. Now I believe that'll come out as it turns. We'll see if it doesn't. I'll just take it back off and redo it. But that's how I'm going to do it, and hopefully that'll be okay. All right, now I'm going to put the little floor pan back on here. Just like that, so if I did something wrong, it's not going to eat me up. You open the door. Let's see if this works now. All right, I believe that did. Yep, there it is. All right, so there you have it. Took me, all in all, 21 minutes to do this. Got it back on, and I'm not bleeding, so that's a good thing. This belt was not a John Deere belt. It was on Amazon, $25. I could get it quicker. The John Deere belt was anywhere from 51 to 61. So it's funny, somebody asked me the other day if I'd made a video on changing this out. Well, now I have. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy this. Hope you get something out of it. If you got any questions, let me know. And that'll do it. I need to get out here and cut some grass because it's getting tall. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, be notified. If you're on Rumble, get over there, subscribe, follow, like, leave me a comment, whole bit. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing great. Hope you're having a good day. And until the next video, thanks for watching. To the yard.